Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to install this Timbren Suspension Enhancement System. This is basically a rear suspension upgrade on a 2019 Toyota Sequoia, and this is a four-wheel drive. This is designed to help out if you're really loaded down or towing something. It will give you a little bit more stability by bottoming out sooner. The factory bump stop is really hard. This is designed to give a little bit more than your factory bump stop. That's why it's also a little bit taller. That's going to extend down, and that's going to hit your A-arm here sooner than the factory bump stop would. And the idea is that that will add stability and cushion that a little bit better if you are under load or if you're towing. But this looks like it's a pretty easy install. All we need to do is take off the factory bump stop, and that's just a 14mm nut right here. I'm going to use this Mountain brand 14mm ratcheting flex head with the little offset there. See if we can loosen and remove that. There we go. Once you get it past a certain point, you can just spin the bump stop down. All right, and don't lose the nut like I did. Let me see if I can grab a magnet and pull that out of there. Just grabbing a little magnetic pickup tool because that nut just dropped right in that little pocket. And there it is. And side by side, there's the difference in height, just so you can kind of get a little bit of a visual there. Now this little Timbren rubber spring here, or bump stop, already has the metal washer inside, but we do need to put the bolt in through there. And I'm just grabbing a little extension with a 17mm short socket so that we can fish that through, like so. And then all we need to do is feed this up through the top. I'm just holding my finger in there first, see if we can get it started. It's pretty easy. And then we'll just put this one on. Just careful not to drop that. And once you have that started, I'm going to use this little Milwaukee ratchet with a 17mm regular socket with a 3-inch extension. See if I can fish this through here. And we'll get on that head of that bolt. There we go. Here I'm just using a flex head ratchet with a 17mm socket, and we're able to get on that nut, and we should be able to tighten this now. No torque specs are included, so I'm just going to make this nice and snug, what I think feels right. All right, that should be good. That's it for this side. Just got to do the same thing on the other side, and we should be good. All right, so same for the driver's side here. We're just going to use that 14mm flex head Mountain to take this out. Once you get it loose enough, just spin it out. And this time I didn't drop the nut. All right, and then we'll just put the bolt through here. Just gonna use this. I'm gonna see if I can do it with a shorter extension this time and just put it all the way through. And then just line that up and get the nut started. Careful not to drop it. I'm just spinning the extension right here below, getting that started. And once it hits the nylon part of the nylock, you won't be able to tighten it anymore by hand. We're just going to use the Milwaukee ratchet here underneath and see if we can get this one in from this angle. Okay, that looks like that'll work. And that's it. Pretty easy job. Actually, hardest part is taking these monster wheels off. All right, now I have the vehicle set back down on the ground with the tires on, and you can see that we still have a gap there. The instructions say that you should still have a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of clearance between the rubber spring and the contact point when the vehicle is empty, which it is. And you can see we've still got some space there, so this should be good to go. And that's it. We got the rear suspension upgrade installed. Now, it doesn't change the ride height. This vehicle has a spacer lift up front and nothing in the back, but it's got some pretty big tires that fill in those wheel wells. Really, the owner was just concerned about towing and having some additional stability with the weight of the trailer. this was kind of bottoming out or hitting those bump stops pretty hard. So hopefully these will make that better, and he'll let me know, I'm sure. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this same kit for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.